How's it going, guys? It's Tucker's Tuition here, and today we're going to be talking about solving x's on both sides. This is part 2. So I've got 2 times x plus 7 equals 3 times x minus 5. So what I'm going to do first, step 1, expand the brackets. 2 times x gives me 2x. 2 times 7 gives me 14. Now the right hand side. 3 times x gives me 3x. 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. Step 2, I then take away the smaller x. 2x take away 2x is 0, so I'm left with just 14. 3x take away 2x is just x. Minus 15 is still here. Step 3, add on the other number. So we're adding 15. Why? We want x by itself. 14 plus 15 is 29. So I'm left with just x. So x is 29. If I do the same again here, I'm going to expand the brackets. So 4 times x gives me 4x. 4 times minus 2 gives me minus 8. 3 times x gives me 3x. 3 times minus 3. 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. Take away the smaller x. 4 take away 3 is just x. Minus 8 here. 3x take away 3x is 0. What am I left with if I cover this up? Just minus 15. And now instead of taking away 8, I add 8. So x is minus 7. Now for number 3. I'm going to multiply 5 on both sides. 5 times x gives me 5x. 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times minus 7 is minus 21. Now I'll take away the smaller x. 5x take away 3x is 2x. Minus 15 still stays there. 3 take away 3 is 0. So I'm left with just minus 21. Now I add on my 15. So 2x is equal to minus 21 plus 15 minus 6. Now I divide both sides by 2. So x is minus 3. Okay, so have a go at these ones here. You might struggle with G and H, and I'll show you how to deal with one of those later. Okay, now we're going to have a look at the answers. How did I get G and H, you ask? Well, this is how. So for G, I've got this. 5 times 2x plus 9 plus 2 times x plus 11 equals 3 times 3x plus 4 plus 46. A lot of jargon, but easily solvable. How? First, I expand the brackets. 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times 9 is 45. And then 2 times x is 11. I write plus 2x. 2 times 11 is 22. Equals. And then 3 times 3x gives me 9x. 3 times 4 gives me 12. And then plus 46. I then collect up my x's on the left hand side. So I get 12x, and then collect up my numbers, 45 plus 22. That's plus 67. On the right hand side, 9x is the same, but I've still got to collect up my numbers here. 12 plus 46 is 58. Now I take away 9 from both sides. 3x plus 67 is equal to 58. And then that means if I take away 67 from both sides, because that's on the same side as x, 3x equals minus 9, x is minus 3. For this one down below, exactly the same process. I expand the brackets first. 8x, 8 times minus 2 is minus 16. Then minus 3 times 1, and be careful with the minus 3. Minus 3 times 1 is minus 3. And minus 3 times minus x is plus 3x. That equals 9 times x is 9x. 9 times 2 is 18. Plus 1. Collect up your x's on the left hand side. 11x. Minus 16, minus 3. That's minus 19. 9 is the same here, so 9x. 18 plus 1 is 19. The 9x's go, because it's a smaller x. 2x minus 19 equals 19. So this means if I add on 19 onto the other side, I get 2x is 38. So x must be 19. Many thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if there are any future videos you would like me to do. Our calculator. Bye!